Hello friends, welcome to our channel Stocks Factor. Hope you are doing well. Friends, we are delighted to inform that we have received an overwhelming response from our users who have been using our free trial version dashboard and from our new users and the subscribers which have been watching the channel recently. So friends, keeping our new users and subscribers in mind, we have decided to extend our trial period of our full version dashboard until 15th of April 2021. Earlier it was until 31st of March. Now we have extended it further for 15 days until 15th of April. And we have already dropped an email today to all our existing users who have been using our dashboard. So you must have received an email with this format, as you can see on your screens, to announce the extension of our trial period. So friends, if you have not subscribed to our channel till now, I request you to please subscribe to our channel. And if you want to access the dashboard for which the trial version has been extended, you can drop us an email. The email ID is mentioned in the about section. You can see the email ID and you can drop us an email to ask for the access for the dashboard, and we'll mail you the link of the dashboard. And as you might already know that we have already launched our website, you can click here and go to the website. The website is available on the public domain. And friends, post 15 April, we'll be launching the paid version of our dashboard, and you can continue accessing the dashboard by paying a very nominal fee. The pricing of our dashboard we have already published it on our website. You can go there and go to the pricing section and check the prices. We have kept very nominal prices to continue accessing our dashboard. And for our viewers who will be coming after 15th of April, if they want to access the trial version, we have already created one more trial version which is a restricted section of the full dashboard. So in that trial version there will be limited pages and limited stocks, but it will help you to understand. You can watch the videos and it will help you to learn. So if you go to this free trial tab, you can see the trial dashboard is already presented here and it is embedded within the website. So you can open the dashboard and you can see the pages. So a few pages are already available and few pages are restricted in the free version, which will be available after 15th of April. So till 15th of April, the full version is already available for you. So you can continue accessing the full version till 15th of April. After 15th of April, you can go to the website and look for the trial version. And then once you are comfortable, you can go for the full version by paying the nominal fee. Also friends, as mentioned in our email, we highly recommend you to watch the derivative analysis series playlist, which consists of 15 videos in which we have covered each and every derivative indicator which we have shown in our dashboard in detail, which will really help you in understanding the derivative analysis and the power of derivative analytics and how to use our dashboard so that you can identify the high probability trades. Also friends, as we have been saying in our earlier videos, if you have any questions regarding the dashboard and the tutorial videos, please post your questions on the comment section for that relevant video and we will definitely answer your questions. And we also request you to please provide your feedback on the videos and share our channel with the retail fraternity so that maximum people can get benefited from our dashboard. In the near future, we will be posting more videos related to the use cases of the market and we'll be sharing such use cases from time to time. And from next month, we'll also start live sessions so that we can take up the questions regarding the dashboard. If you have any queries regarding the dashboard, you can ask those questions in the live session. So friends, thanks to everyone for your awesome response, and we look forward to serve you and build a long-term relationship with you all. See you in another video. Take care and goodbye.